Good morning, Harrison. This is Mrs. Duncan. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for our peace pledge. I am a peacemaker. I pledge to recognize the good people do to make positive choices and help others to do the same. I will build peace at school, at home, and in my community every day.
Hey Harrison, so for your makerspace ideas, we were trying to think of something everybody could do and then one project where you might need to get supplies. So the first project is just to use things that you would have at your house, like paper towel tubes or leftover boxes, to make a track for either a marble or a Super Bowl. And then our second project idea is to make a stress ball that you can use at home when you're stressed, or if you make a couple of them, I don't know, maybe you can even learn how to juggle. So, hope you enjoy our projects. Okay, so the goal is to try to get it all the way out the door of my house. And Jack, tell them about the fan.
The fan is for when the marble reaches right here. It will roll through here and then get momentum from the wind. And it will blow into like a ramp that leads outside into a cup. But we haven't built that part yet.
Okay. So here's what you need to do this project. You're going to need some flour. Ours is in a big container there. A measuring cup, because you need about 3/4 of a cup of flour. A wide necked bottle. So we used a Gatorade bottle. And then a funnel to get the flour down in the bottle. And if you don't have a funnel, tell them what you can do, Jack.
You can take a water bottle, and if you drink it and then dry it out, you can cut the bottom half, like right here, and then fill it up with flour and make it a funnel.
Yeah, turn it upside down and make it a funnel. Show them some of the ones we made at the beginning of this.
So these are the ones we made. We have a watermelon one, this is a Batman one, and this we call like sky.
And they're squeezable, and you need 3 layers for a ball. If you have the kind of Ziploc bag that you can just fold down, like the kind that doesn't have the sharp corners, that can be your base layer too. So we're gonna scoop up the flour and stick it in the funnel. We're doing this outside. It's not that messy, but because it's nice out, we thought we would do it out here. Because then the flour will just kind of blow away. You need me or you got it? You need about like 3/4 of a cup. It really doesn't matter, it's just how big you want the ball. Okay, now he's gonna start pouring it in there. And then you have to hit it to get the flour in. While he's doing that, I'm gonna blow the balloon up because it kind of stretches it and makes the flour transfer in. Okay, Jack, you got the flour in there?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so I blew up the balloon and it's twisted but not tied. So the idea is to try to get the twisted balloon over the top of the bottle. So maybe Jack, hold the bottle in between your legs or something, and then There you go. Here comes the balloon. He's gonna try to get the lip of the balloon over the bottle. You might need a parent to help you with this part, or you might be able to do it. Okay, you got it, Jack?
Yes.
All right, so then he's just gonna turn the bottle upside down and get the flour to go now into the balloon. Is it going in there?
Yeah.
Did you see Rocky's watching this whole project? So your mom might have flour for making cookies, and then you can get balloons. All right, you know, even if someone takes a run to the grocery store, they might be able to get you some balloons. Okay, now the trick is you want the air to get out of the balloon, but not the flour. So you have to do it kind of, you know, pull it off kind of slowly, and then just let a little bit out at a time, because the flour will just fly out. We made our first ones in the house, and it was kind of funny and messy. All right, see how Jack grabbed it? He's just gonna kind of let the air go out gently. All right, how's it going, Jack? Okay, so then you're just gonna carefully. Do you feel like you have the air out and the flour's in?
Yeah.
Okay, now here's the scissors. You just cut off the that top part of it. You're not actually even going to worry about tying it. Okay. You're going to take another balloon and cut it right about here. Okay, we cut the balloon down a little lower. Now Jack's wiping the flour off the balloon. And then you're going to take this red balloon and you just place this over that hole. So this helps if like you have a person hold it. So let me see if I can hold and film at the same time. Oh, that might work. Or do you want me to just...
You should also, tip is taking both of your thumbs and putting it in the hole, and you want to stretch it as wide as you can, like this, and have someone hold the other balloon for you. And once it's halfway on, you can just pull the rest of it over.
Anyway, the more layers of balloon you use, the stronger they are. Like if you use 3 or 4 layers, then you can actually like throw them around and stuff. And the top layer is just for decoration. And we did those just by cutting holes in the top layer of the balloon. This one is supposed to be like a watermelon. Decorated it with marker. Okay, so there's your stress ball with flour and balloons. If you, like I said, if you want to add more layers to it, it's a little safer.